Now guys, in this lecture we are going to see one more website which will help us in finding the information regarding any target. Okay, so for that you need to open your favorite web browser, and inside the Google search you need to type here Netcraft and hit enter. So when you click on enter button, you will see this kind of result. Okay, so let me zoom it. So as you can see that this is the first link, which is www.netcraft.com. so what you need to do here is you don't need to click on this particular link. You need to simply click on Netcraft site report. So when you click on this, it will open the page where it will asking for the domain or the host name. Okay, so you have to wait till the opening of this. As you can see that the loading has been completed. So this is the page that we are asking for. Okay guys, so here you can simply put the host or domain name of any particular target, and it will give the information regarding that target. Okay, so I want to see for yahoo.com. okay, and now hit enter. Okay guys, for Yahoo we have seen earlier, so now let's change this domain name to see for someone else like cisco.com. okay, hit enter. Okay, I think this is not working. Cisco. Okay, let's try with .in. Okay, I think it is not working. Let me open it in this Cisco and hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that this is the link. So why it is not working? Cisco. Okay guys, let me do it from starting. That Netcraft and inside report, now cisco.com and hit enter. Okay guys, now we are having the desired result. Let me zoom it. Okay guys, I think this is the ideal zoom. Okay guys, so as you can see that we are having this much information regarding the cisco.com. okay guys, so this website is gonna be very helpful when it comes to reconnaissance. Okay guys, so now let's analyze from the starting. First we have background here. Okay, so background, the site title is Cisco global homepage, and this is the site rank and date first seen on 1995 August, and this is the rate of risk. So it is not having any data regarding the risk rating. Then we are having network. So this is the main domain, and this is the owner, net block owner, which is Cisco system. And then we are having country of hosting this particular domain, and then we are having IPv4 address is this, and we are also having IPv6 address is this. Okay, and we are having reverse DNS is this, and in the right side we are having domain name server is this, and domain registrar is markmonitor.com, and name server organization is host.markmonitor.com, and organization, the full name is this is the address I think, and then the DNS admin is this, and top level domain, which is also called as TLD, is .com. And when you scroll it down a little bit, you will find all the combinations of IPv4, and then we are having for IPv6 also. Okay, so this is SSL report and history. Hosting history is this. So these are the places where it is now hosting on, and as you can see with the data also mentioned here. So this is for Linux, Citrix, and Linux, Citrix. So this is how it looks like. And when you scroll it down, you will see some juicy data when it comes to this, which is site technology, server side. So include all main technologies that Netcraft detects as running on a server, such as PHP. So this is very important detail, which services are running on the server, so that you can find out the exploit, or you can exploit that particular technology on the server. So these are the client side. As we all know, in client side mostly JavaScript. Okay, so when you scroll it down, you will see client-side scripting framework is jQuery is using here, and the content management is Adobe Experience Manager. And these are the web stats, and when we are having character encoding, which is using UTF-8. So UTF-8 is very important to understand that when it comes to cross-site scripting and command injection, so the character encoding plays very important role there. So don't worry, I will teach you what is character encoding, and we will see this later on when we will be talking about the injection attacks. Okay, so this is about character encoding. Then we are having web browser targeting, doc types, HTML5, CSS uses. So this is how Netcraft gather all the information for you, and this is the way you can find all the related information, or we can say very important information about the target in very detailed and structured manner. Okay guys, so this is how you can use Netcraft. So if you guys understand something from this particular lecture, so thank you for watching this lecture, and please use all this information knowledge when it comes to practicality.